Hey guys, it's Kate. In this video, I'm going to be doing a phone transformation. I've seen this transformation video go around, except for with people, but I thought, why not try it with your phone? So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go. Here's the front. You probably can't tell. My screen protector is cracked in so many ways. This is the back. It is definitely dirty, and I'm on 10%. So my home screen, and I have 6,932 photos. I'm running out of storage really fast. All I have to say is my phone could use some help. After I don't even know how long I found it. That's satisfying.
Good balance.
What? Excuse how messy my desk is, but wow, a beauty. Let's bring some context. Clearly I just got out of the shower, and then I got a message that the phone case that I ordered was here. So I'm gonna go pick it up. So I got the package. Here it is. I want to mention that this video is in partnership with Kroma. I'm here to give you a full, honest review and opinion. You guys, you've heard of this before, you know? How this works out is that you have a bumper and you put it around the sides of your phone, but then you also have to get a back plate to actually put on your back, and then you can switch it out. Oh! So it has your instructions of how to install it in case if you don't know, but I don't really think I'm gonna follow that. I got the color blush gold. There's those things inside of it, which is really reassuring to know that it actually has something that can protect it. Ooh. They give you a sticker. This is so cute. I'm gonna be going upstairs because I don't feel like standing up anymore. So I got 3 back plates. Listen to this. Oh.
Never mind.
How do I do this? Oh.
I don't know how it just made this unsatisfying.
Alright, I got it on my phone. The buttons seem very responsive. There's like airways too. I don't know what those really are.
But that's cool, I guess.
It looks really, really nice, and I'll obviously have to test it out to see how strong it is, but it does seem very promising. I personally really like how it looks. I've gotten compliments on my phone case, and the fact that you can change out the back plates is really convenient if you're, you know, trying to switch it up. I ended up getting the plus case, which doesn't fit my phone. I'll just contact the company about that. They replied really, really fast. They were super sweet about it. They offered to resend the case and 2 other back plates with it. That was really nice of them. And then another thing that I was having problems with, I don't know why, but it's kind of hard for me to get the case on and off. I think I'm just not following the directions right.
Because I didn't really look at the directions that much, but...
So in the process of me trying to actually get the back plate off and exchange it, I kind of scratched my top bumper. You can't really see it, but I just wanted to let you guys know so you don't make the same mistake that I did. Overall, I still really like this company, and I think that you guys should check it out. If you buy a bumper and a plate, you will get another plate for free. I have a 10% off coupon for you guys to use. It will all be down below. I honestly have so many apps I just don't even use anymore. Like,
why do I have them?
Ow, I bit my tongue. I don't know why. I have Kick. After deleting the apps only, I have 61 gigabytes out of 64. I'm going to be deleting all of my photos. Not all of it, but now I have 7,186. But just, I already know I'm gonna be getting a lot more storage after deleting these. It's a lot later, and I deleted 2,543 photos. But now, I could have deleted more, honestly. So now I'm going to change my wallpaper. Actually, I might not. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can change it just to give it another new look. It is cute, but I think I'm just gonna change it back. I don't know. It was fun trying. I think I'm gonna change my lock screen to this one. So I've been hearing a lot about this new software update. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. Wait.
Yep, I read all of those.
Oh yeah, it's loading. Okay. This is a final evaluation. I'm really happy with the way that my phone turned out. I think that the phone case definitely made a really big difference. That looks cute. And of course, now I have more storage. That is the phone, that is the video, and that is it. I hope you guys had fun during this video. I'm really happy with my phone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below anything. It means a lot. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye!